As the world of additive manufacturing continues to evolve, 2025 promises to bring a new wave of innovative 3D printers that cater to a variety of needs and applications. We have listed the 5 best new 3D printers 2025, and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Bamboo Lab P1P. The Bamboo Lab P1P is an innovative 3D printer that has made waves in the maker community for its impressive features and user-friendly design. Targeting both hobbyists and professionals alike, this machine combines advanced technology with affordability, making high-quality 3D printing accessible to a wider audience. One of the standout features of the P1P is its impressive printing speed, which allows users to produce high-quality prints in a fraction of the time compared to many other printers on the market. Bamboo Lab has integrated a robust dual-gear extruder system that ensures consistent filament flow, reducing the chances of clogs and improving overall print reliability. Moreover, the P1P supports a variety of filament types, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and even more specialized materials, giving users the flexibility to experiment and create diverse projects. Its large build volume enables the printing of sizable objects without the need for tedious assembly, catering to those looking to create functional prototypes or artistic models. The user interface of the Bamboo Lab P1P is also noteworthy. It features a sleek touchscreen that simplifies navigation and control of the printing process. Additionally, the printer is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for seamless integration with various slicing software and cloud services. This means users can easily send their print jobs wirelessly, monitor progress remotely, and even update the printer's firmware with ease. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is a standout model in the realm of affordable 3D printers, gaining recognition for its impressive blend of performance, usability, and value. Building upon the legacy of the Ender 3 series, the V3 SE offers enhanced features that elevate the 3D printing experience for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. One of the most notable upgrades is its improved print quality, which is achieved through a combination of a high-precision nozzle and an upgraded motion system. This allows for smoother and more accurate prints, reducing the likelihood of errors and ensuring that intricate designs come out as intended. The printer also supports a wider range of filament materials, from PLA to PETG and ABS, making it versatile for various projects. The Ender 3 V3 SE is equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen interface that streamlines navigation and setup. This makes it easier for new users to get started with 3D printing while providing advanced users with quick access to settings and controls. Additionally, the printer features a sturdy build with a robust metal frame, which contributes to stability during printing and helps minimize vibrations that could affect print quality. Another significant advancement is the inclusion of a heated bed, which is crucial for improving bed adhesion and reducing warping, especially with larger prints. Coupled with a fast heating time, users can quickly get started with their projects without long wait times. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. The Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo is a game-changer in the realm of 3D printing, designed to cater to both beginners and experienced users alike. This all-in-one 3D printer comes equipped with advanced features that set it apart from its competitors, making it an excellent choice for various printing tasks. One of the standout features of the Cobra 3 Combo is its impressive build volume, which allows for the creation of larger and more complex prints without the need for extensive assembly or modifications. The printer is designed with a user-friendly interface that simplifies the printing process, making it accessible even for those who are new to 3D printing. In addition to its ease of use, the Cobra 3 Combo boasts a high-resolution printing capability that ensures fine details are captured accurately in every model. With a layer resolution of up to 0.1 mm, users can achieve smooth finishes and intricate designs, perfect for both hobby projects and professional applications. The printer's dual extrusion capability is another major advantage, enabling the use of multiple materials or colors in a single print. This feature expands the creative possibilities for users, allowing them to experiment with different filament types, including flexible and composite materials. Moreover, the Anycubic Cobra 3 combo is equipped with a reliable and efficient cooling system that helps prevent warping and ensures consistent print quality. Number 2. Creality K1C. The Creality K1C represents a significant advancement in the world of 3D printing, catering to both hobbyists and professionals alike. This printer boasts an impressive build volume, allowing users to create larger and more intricate designs without the need for assembly or multiple prints. With its robust construction and high-quality components, the K1C ensures durability and reliability for long-term use. One of the standout features of the Creality K1C is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the printing process for users of all experience levels. The intuitive touchscreen display provides easy access to settings and functions, making it a breeze to start printing in just a few taps. Additionally, the printer supports a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, giving users the flexibility to experiment with various materials and finishes. The K1C also incorporates advanced technology for enhanced printing performance. It features a high-precision dual-axis system that minimizes vibrations, resulting in smoother and more detailed prints. Moreover, the printer is equipped with an automatic bed leveling system, ensuring that the first layer adheres perfectly, which is crucial for successful prints. Another notable aspect of the Creality K1C is its connectivity options. Users can easily connect via USB or utilize SD cards for uninterrupted printing, which is particularly useful for larger projects. The printer also supports remote monitoring and control through compatible apps, allowing users to keep an eye on their prints from anywhere. Number 1. Original Prusa MK4. The original Prusa MK4 is an impressive leap forward in the world of 3D printing, building on the success of its predecessors while introducing a range of innovative features and enhancements. Known for its user-friendly design and reliable performance, the MK4 is tailored for both beginners and seasoned makers alike. One of the standout features of the MK4 is its advanced multi-material capability, allowing users to print with a variety of filament types, including flexible and composite materials. This versatility expands the creative possibilities, enabling the production of intricate designs and functional prototypes that were previously challenging to achieve. Additionally, the MK4 boasts an upgraded print head that significantly improves print quality and speeds. The inclusion of a new, high-precision sensor enhances first-layer adhesion, ensuring that prints start off on the right foot. Coupled with an updated filament sensor, the printer can detect when filament runs out, minimizing wasted time and material. The original Prusa MK4 also embraces smart technology, featuring an intuitive touchscreen interface that simplifies the printing process. It offers advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and USB support, allowing for seamless integration with various devices and easy access to the Prusa Slicer software. With its robust build quality, extensive community support, and ongoing software updates, the original Prusa MK4 sets a new standard in the 3D printing landscape.